In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot developer account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to build custom integrations or explore HubSpot's powerful API features, setting up a developer account is the first step. I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring you have your account set up smoothly and swiftly. First things first, open up your web browser and head to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, go to the search bar and type in HubSpot developer account. Don't worry if you don't get the exact results at first glance, we're simply trying to find the quickest way to get to the right page. Next, look for the search result that says Get Started, HubSpot Developer Account. It should be one of the top results, if not the first. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the HubSpot Developer Resources page. Once you're there, your next step is to find and click on the button that says Create App Developer Account. This button is your gateway to beginning your journey as a developer in the HubSpot ecosystem, where you'll have access to tools and support for creating custom integrations with HubSpot's services. At this point, you will either be prompted to log into your existing HubSpot account, or if you don't have one, to create a new account altogether. If you already have a HubSpot account, simply log in with your credentials. Otherwise, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. This typically involves providing some basic information like your email address and choosing a password. Remember to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After logging in or setting up your new account, you'll find yourself on the developer dashboard. Here you'll have numerous options to explore various developer tools and resources, but for the focus of today's video, we're concentrating on creating a new app developer account, which you've already initiated by following these steps. Exploring this dashboard, you'll see that you now have access to a range of API documentation, development insights, and community forums. All these resources are designed to support your development process within HubSpot's ecosystem. You can start creating test apps, install them on the test account, and truly get a feel for integrating apps with HubSpot's powerful platform. To wrap things up, you've just learned how to set up your HubSpot developer account. Feel free to dive deeper into the documentation HubSpot provides, as it's incredibly comprehensive and will aid you immensely in your development journey. Now you're all set to start building and integrating without any hassle. Thanks for following along and happy developing.